Hey, Mama Knows Best here. How is everybody doing? I'm glad to get you in on this live, as you see I'm dropping things, live little class here to teach you another hack that I learned the hard way. The reason why I do these little hacks for you is because when I was a newbie, I made mistakes, and I want you to pass by and not make the same mistakes that I did. So today's question is, how do you know how many drops of essential oil to put with a carrier oil? In other words, how do I dilute this and make my oils last? It's just like when you're cooking, you're not going to put in a whole bunch of oregano. You don't need that much. You slowly figure out how much you do need and make it last. So that's what we're going to do. I have M grain here. I have a customer who wants some, so I'm going to give her a 25%. And I'm going to mix it. To me, the best carrier oil is V6, and it's not just because it's Young Living. I've tried other ones, and you're welcome to try whatever you want, but I love these little pumps. They measure out very easily. This one, I gotta remember I locked it. I have trouble with these. So 4 pumps is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and you see how it filled it. 5 ml is 1 teaspoon, a little bit of math there. And then if I want 25%, I'm going to do 25 drops to 1 teaspoon of V6 or 1 teaspoon of your carrier oil, and that equals a 25% ratio. If I wanted a 10% ratio, class, how much do I add? 10 drops. 50%? 50 drops to every teaspoon. So if I had a 2 teaspoon roll-on, which is the larger one, which is 10 ml, I would add, for a 50% ratio, I would add 100. 5 ml and 5 ml is 10, and then 50 and 50 is 100. So remember, whatever you do for the carrier, 1 teaspoon or 5 ml is equal to 5 drops if I wanted 5%. So for every teaspoon of carrier oil, it equals the number of drops in the percentage that you want. Make sense? I've also got the dilution rate chart on in our files. You can look it up, but it's really it's that simple. It's not that hard. So I put my 4 pumps, which is 5 ml, and now you're going to see I wanted 25%, I'm going to add 25 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, got 25 drops. I'm going to put a label on this, and I'm going to give it out as a sample. This is M grain. It's 25% M grain, so I'll put a label on it. The other thing you noticed I did is I put the oil in, the carrier oil in first, and that's a lesson I've learned just sharing with you. Before I have put the essential oil in first and then my carrier, and guess what? It overfilled, and then I just wasted. I didn't know what was left in here because the percentages are all off. It's all dripping all over the place. It was a sad waste to me. So my hack is put the carrier oil in first, and V6 to me is the best, and then this. One more quick hack I'm going to show you. Save your empty roller bottle, your bottles. Just save them, and this is why. You boil them, you clean them, like I said in the last hack. Then you get these aroma glides. They fit right on, and instead of having to go out and buy these for my members that are asking for things, my clients, I can then use the bottle that I've already got. The roller, these are 5 ml. So it's the same thing. It's the same size. 5 ml fits in here. I'd do the exact same thing, only I'd have it clean. I'd take the label off, unless I was giving her stress away. But then I'd label it that it's a diluted amount of it. Anyway, that's your hack for the day. Bye.